Hello folks, this is Scott with Dallas Paint Correction and Auto Detailing here in Dallas, Texas. I want to talk about something. I want to talk about extension cords, right? As a mobile detailer, we got to bring extension cords with us, plug into our customer's outlet, or maybe you got a generator and you want to run an extension cord from the back of your truck or whatever. They have those plastic reels, right, where you can reel up the extension cord. Then they make heavy-duty version ones that are made out of metal and they've got little feet on them. I've used those things for years. Or maybe you're really old school and you just wrap the extension cord around your arm and throw it in the back of the truck and call it a day. Well, with those plastic reels or even the heavy-duty metal reels that you have to spin by hand, what happens with those things, they've got feet on them, right? Sometimes they like to fall over and they'll kind of unravel on you and you find yourself pulling it all the way out just to kind of tighten it back up and reel it back in. I got tired of it. Plus the plastic ones, if something fell on it inside my truck, it cracked the reel. I just got to the point where I'm like, I'm done with it. I want something a little bit more fancier, right? Well, about a month ago, I came across the company. I did some research on Amazon and I came across this company here. It's called TACKLIFE. It's called the name of the company is TACKLIFE. I'll leave the name of the company below this video. Found it on Amazon. I think I purchased it. It's been about a month ago, maybe $80, $85. I don't remember. I think it was a Prime purchase. I got it within 2 days. This is one of those retractable ones, right? So you pull it out, it locks on you. It's got a 3-prong deal on the end of it. It's 50 feet, rated for 12 amps. Completely appropriate for working like a dual action polisher, a vacuum, my steamer, my rotary, whatever the case may be, as long as I'm within 50 feet of an outlet. If I'm working on RVs and I need something that's 100 feet long, I've got a bigger, heavy-duty extension cord for that, right? You don't want voltage drop when you're running that far. What's really cool about this one, this TACKLIFE retractable extension cord was meant to be mounted on a wall. It's got like a wall mount on it. You can mount it on the wall in your garage or from the ceiling, pull on the cord. Really cool, wonderful. But what I'm doing with this thing is I just leave it on its side. I've got the other cord, right? I plug it into my customer's outlet and I go with it. What I love about this thing is even if you had all 50 feet of this stuff completely reeled out and you had a direct line back to this machine, if you tugged on this wire and it starts to retract, it will retract all 50 feet of the extension cord within about 8 to 10 seconds. It's got a heavy-duty case on it, although for a month now I've been laying on its side and I'm scratching it all up, right guys? But I love it. I just set it down, plug it in, and go with it. It's got a little circuit breaker, so if you trip something, you come over here and you hit the circuit breaker on the box. Really nice construction. I did research on these things. I found devices that were like 50, 60 bucks. Some of them were 150, maybe a little bit more money. I wanted to be somewhere in between, and I read some really great reviews about this, and for about a month now, I'm getting great results with it. I love it. I love the fact that it's compact. Once the cord is completely within this machine, I just pick it up, throw it in the back of my truck, carry it around with me. The reel, you know, those older type reel systems, if the wire was a little loose around the reel, it might catch on something as I'm pulling out of the truck. Drove me nuts. I just wanted to share this with you. If you're you work at a shop and you're not a mobile detailer, but you got a brick and mortar shop, these are really cool. Mount them on the wall, really nice retractable device. Just wanted to share it with you. I know it's not the sexiest conversation to have, but you're gonna need an extension cord if you're a mobile detailer or even a professional detailer who's working in a brick and mortar shop. Really cool system, heavy duty casing. I'm not seeing any issues with the retractable device. It pulls it in real nice and smooth, real easy for me. Folks, I love you guys. 50 feet long, 12 amp rated, 3 little prongs on the end of it. Really cool device. TACKLIFE, I'll leave a link to it. Although I don't make money off these things, I'm not an affiliate with Amazon. Love you all. Just wanted to share that with you real quick. Talk to you guys later.